It's Mona, it's Charles, and they're buying shit at Wegmans.
Alright, here we go. It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. How have you been?
I've been good.
Yeah.
Good. So, back by popular demand.
By popular demand.
Yeah.
And requests.
And requests. Yep. We're going to do some Halloween holiday desserts today. We're going to start.
Want me to start?
Yeah, go ahead.
So we have, they're called twists. They're pumpkin spice, white fudge coated pretzels. They're gluten-free, vegan.
Okay. And we also have a brownie brittle, pumpkin spice. There's nothing, they're not gluten-free or anything, right?
Oh, they're not gluten-free? I don't know.
I don't think so. No wheat.
Okay,
milk,
all right.
Wheat, milk, soy, eggs. And, which Mona's really looking forward to.
I don't know about this.
Some candy corn flavored drizzled popcorn, kettle corn. So we'll save this for last, but that's probably
gonna be really sweet.
That's
All right.
gonna be the best.
So, do you want to start with the pretzels? I think that they'd probably be, and then we'll go
start
on
with
to the other
pretzels.
ones. So,
I'll get these open.
these can be found. These were found in the gluten-free section. They seem to be popular because there were only like 2 bags left. I'm not a huge fan of white chocolate. So
Well, I love white chocolate.
You're so weird.
Not my favorite.
Chocolate's not really should be white. Okay, here you go.
Sure, it should.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
I think my pretzel's stale.
Maybe. Maybe they're from last Halloween.
They're sweeter than I thought.
They're really sweet. Yeah, they're heavy on the pumpkin spice for sure.
Mm-hmm.
So,
They're okay. I'd eat them.
here, you open those.
Yeah.
I already told everything off.
Okay.
But I need to rinse them. Those are really, really sweet.
They also have a variety of pumpkin drinks
Mm-hmm.
at their coffee. Did a lousy job, man.
Oh,
I
come on.
can't get in. No, all right.
It was open.
All right. Okay.
So what are these again?
These are the brownie. Oh my gosh, they're thin.
Oh, they are thin.
Oh, and yours don't have any
Well, I'm gonna need one with the
cream cheese chips. All right. They're super thin. They're like wafers.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
it's brownie brittle.
Oh,
Okay.
like a cracker.
Mm-hmm.
Should have did these first. They're not terribly sweet.
I like these better than pretzels.
They do.
These aren't super sweet. And they're not as heavy on the pumpkin spice.
Mm-hmm.
They're good. They're good. I like those better than the pretzels, yeah, for sure. All right. Is that Boom Chicka Pop? No.
Yeah,
Boom Chicka Pop. All right.
I gotta drink something again. All right. It smells like popcorn. It doesn't smell super sweet.
No, it smells like
Good.
popcorn. All right. So you can see the candy cane drizzle. I don't know if you guys can see it on the
Yeah.
video, but you know.
I like that. I like that better than the pretzels.
I wouldn't say it tastes like candy corn.
Mm-mm.
I would say it just tastes like really sweet popcorn with like that mallow, what is it? That mellow cream.
Yeah,
Like it's popcorn basically with like mellow cream on top of it.
it's good.
You can have it.
This I did not like. It was okay. It's over the top sweet.
These are pretty good. The brownie brittle.
That was probably the best. But I like this. It's good.
Although, it's a nice combination of sweet and salty.
Yeah, absolutely. All right.
All right. So, pick your Halloween sort of flavored dessert and check them out.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you and good night from Mona and Charles.